TMB ISAS Drone Academy. Next slide, please. Okay, ISAS is a training consultant arm for Tenaga Nasional Berhad, and it's established in 1978, and now is as a Tenaga Nasional subsidiary in September 2008. Next, please. This is a video for our drone academy. Okay, basically this is our drone pilot for today, Mr. Fairuz. And our training center will be at Malinawa, Perak. Okay, Miss Anna, maybe you want to add on something?
This is a show where our pilot set up the drone, set the path, and
There is Miss Ada.
that's me flying the drone.
Okay, this is our video. Okay, next slide, please.
Next slide.
Okay, overview of ISAS Academy. Miss Ada.
ISAS Academy is established last year, April 2018. We expert and representative private and government agency from PGU. We collaborate with PGU, CAM, QLD, PPL, and which they are the person who involved in Drone Academy. Okay, next. Okay, Drone Academy objective is to craft the future of drone industry and autonomous solutions, developing a collaboration framework with professional drone practitioners and other parties to expand Drone Academy in future. That's our objective. Next. Okay, this is our solutions, which we provide training and service and consultations. We have basic training, thermal trainings, and for service and consultation, we have LiDAR survey, area mapping, transmission lines, and thermal inspections. We also have drone AI surveillance. Okay, next.
Okay, actually what we do at the academy, so we do also, besides of teaching, so we do service and consultation, like LiDAR services. Okay, next. Which is a battery and sonar services. Next. Transmission tower inspection. You can, related to TAB, of course we do the inspection for the transmission line. Search and rescue, like Miss.
Okay, recently we involved in search and rescue NORA-N, and this is the actual footage when we do the search and rescue NORA-N. However, our drone team can't find the bodies. Yeah, we not only TMB, but we are with two groups, another drone groups also. Okay, next. This is the example of Vito. Okay, but the video is not okay. Next. This is the training at ISAS Malinawa. We have practical and theory. Okay, next. This is the setup. We're using Phantom 4, V2 for practical, hands-on. Okay. Alright, that's all from us, but
okay, we'd like to invite all of us
yes.
to in front for the great quality.
banquet hall and
we do
will
some demonstration.